The second law of simplification of exponents is the division law. The first law or the first principle was the multiplication law or principle, where we said when common bases are multiplied, then we add the powers. The second law that we have on our screen is almost the same, but with a very small difference. And the difference is here. Where there is a division, then it means the powers are going to be subtracted. As long as we have common bases and those common bases are divided, we shall subtract or look for the difference of the powers, of course, starting from the first one. In this example, I have decided to use different letters just to mean that you don't have to expect the same letter all through. You may have different bases, and so I can also use different bases to explain this given point. If I use base A, for example, the one that we used in the first principle, I would say a power m divided by a power n, we shall get common base A, then m minus n. This is the principle we are calling the division law. Let us go to an example. But before that example, I want to lay emphasis, and that is why I want us to write something about that principle. When the bases are similar, when the bases are similar, when the bases are similar or common, can say common, comma, for division case, for division cases, for division cases, then the exponents, are subtracted. The exponents are subtracted. That is just to lay some emphasis on when we have common similar bases and it is a division between them, we will subtract the powers. Let us go to the example now. So our simple example here, I will give you two examples. So the first example, simplify. 2 power 6 divided by 2 power 4. Solution. Check whether the bases are similar. Yes, these are similar bases. And apply the concept where we said a power m divided by a power n is equals to a m minus n. Minus n. So we shall say 2 power 6 minus 4. So the powers are subtracted. This gives us 2 power 6 minus 4 is 2. You can leave it at this point or else continue by saying 2 squared is 4. That is like 2 times 2. That is 2 squared. Second example. Form exponents and simplify the expression below. 32 divided by 16. So this problem requires us to, first of all, express these large numbers in power form. And that is by answering the first part of the question, forming exponents. After which, we shall apply the second law of exponent, the law we called division law, to simplify the rest of the work. Solution. So 32 in power form. Express 32 and 16 in power form. So 32, we begin with 32. 32 is the same as divide by 2, 16. Divide by 2, 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4. And 4 divided by 2 is 2. So it is how many 2's? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 32 as 2 power 5. What about 16? 16 in power form. 16 divided by 2 is 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So 16 can be written as 2 power 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 power 4 is the same as 16. So it means 32 is the same as 2 power 5 and 16 is the same as 2 power 4. So we bring these two factors in their power form. So it means 32 divided by 16 is the same as 2 power 5 divided by 2 power 4. This means common bases, now we apply the law. We shall have 2 power 5 minus 4. And the answer is 2. 5 minus 4 is 1. So the answer is 2. Thank you very much for watching Prepsaret YouTube channel. Continue following us even in our website prepsaret.com, and you'll get more of these lessons. Goodbye and see you in our next video.